If you've been doing keto or carnivore and you're stuck, the scale won't move, energy feels meh, and hunger is louder than it should be, or your cravings are back, I'm going to give you a 10-second macro audit. 3 questions, that's it. And this will tell you exactly what you need to fix first. Because most stalls aren't mysterious. They're math and habits and hidden carbs wearing a disguise. Are you ready? Question number 1. Did you hit your protein today? Not your calories, not your steps, not your good intentions. Your protein. Because if protein is too low, you're going to be hungry, you're going to snack, and your body's going to protect itself by slowing down. Protein is what stabilizes appetite, protects muscle, and keeps you from feeling like you're white knuckling this. So ask yourself, did I eat enough meat, fish, eggs, whole food protein today? If the answer is kind of, that's your first fix. Okay, question number 2. Did carbs creep in? Now, I'm not talking about you eating a donut. I'm talking about carbs that don't look like carbs. Things like keto snacks, flavored yogurts, protein bars, coffee creamers, that's a big one, sauces and salad dressings, marinades, and those little just a bite moments. Because here's the truth. Carbs don't have to be loud to matter. They just have to add up. So the second question is, did I eat anything today that came in a package and I didn't actually track it? If the answer is yes, there's your answer. Question number 3, did I add extra fat on top of my fat? This is a sneaky one because keto and carnivore need fat. And fat is not bad, but fat has a purpose. Fat is there to help you feel satisfied. It helps your body run well. It provides fuel. But if you're eating ribeye and then adding butter and then adding cheese and then adding cream and then throwing in a handful of nuts, you might be overshooting the amount your body can use right now. And if fat loss is your goal, your body can't burn stored body fat while you're constantly topping off the tank. So ask yourself, was my fat mostly coming naturally from my protein, or did I decorate it with everything with extra fat all day? Because that one habit alone can create a stall. So here's your macro audit again. Did I hit protein? Did carbs creep in? Did I add extra fat on top of my fat? And whichever one you answered no to, that's your lever. That's what you fix first. Not willpower, not perfection, not a simple adjustment. If this helped, hit subscribe because every week we make keto and carnivore easier to live. I'll see you tomorrow.